The endoscopic submucosal dissection market is shaped by a handful of strong global medical technology players, creating a clear but competitive structure. Olympus leads the market with 16% share, maintaining a strong position in advanced endoscopic solutions. It is followed by Fujifilm at 8% and Boston at 6%, both having a strong presence in minimally invasive treatment technologies. What stands out is not just the leadership, but the gap between the players, highlighting how expertise, technology, and clinical precision define the position in this space. Overall, the market remains actively competitive, where continuous innovation and technological advancement determine how companies boost their global presence in endoscopic submucosal dissection. Markets move fast. Your decisions need to move faster. The 360i Research platform brings analyst-author research and AI-powered discovery together in one place. Ask targeted market questions, track competitor, explore industry shift, and uncover timely insight that help your team move from data to confident action. Connect with 360i Research and turn inspiring insight into dependable action.